आदर्श विद्यालय मांडवी in learning class 10. My topic name is Import Tribal India. This point. Causes of the problem. Poverty, lack of education, limited access to resources. Effect of the problem. Low income, poor health, social management. Solution. Community-led development model, skill development and education, economic opportunities, healthcare and infrastructure, education, knowledge, digital learning, tribal hostel, culture, true empowerment, promote tourism, health and nutrition, better health, better future, Ayushman Bharat, nutrition schemes, employment, self employment and skill training. Thanks.
एक